we come into contact with viruses all the time. The immune system is really, really amazing, and we're just now starting to be able to capture how much your body is doing on a day-to-day basis, and you're not even aware. My background is in bioinformatics, computational biology. So coming into JAX, this was my first experience at a genomics institute. So in the Ucar Lab, we use systems immunology approaches, mainly focusing on the immune system over the lifespan. And so my role is analyzing this genomic data, a lot of it at the single cell level, to identify, in broad strokes, some of the influences on immune aging. Why do some people age better than others? Is that because of how they were born, their genetics? Or is it environmental factors like viruses that you may carry without your knowledge? The Jackson labs and the Ucar Lab in particular is really exciting because of all the work they're doing with human subjects. We're getting human samples and we have a real chance to study people month to month. We currently have a cohort we've been following we're getting into the 4th year now, which is very exciting and rare to have such a dedicated group of older adults, which is made possible with our collaboration with the Ucar Center on Aging right across the street. So they're just bringing the samples right over, and we have an amazing wet lab team. And then once they do everything they can with these precious samples to get the best possible data, that's where they pass it off to me, and we work together, identify different genomic aspects of aging, and then in the next few years we're hoping to take advantage of other things JAX offers, which is the mouse, right? So test these potential rejuvenating molecules in a humanized mouse model. So basically, long story short with the genotyping, it looks here, actually I'll show you some of these results. Me coming into immunology and genomics, I've been able to learn so much even beyond my own lab. And it's a great size in terms of, you see people that you know every day. We're working closely together, especially in our lab, led by Duigu. She really trusts me and empowers me to, follow what I'm passionate about and also guide me to make sure that what I'm focusing on is translational and will have an impact. The JAX Scholar has been amazing. This has opened up a lot more possibilities for me as far as conferences I can go to, which is really, really exciting. It's allowing me to share more of my work. Having the JAX Scholar is allowing me to move a little closer to independent investigator, and it's like, I have some funds, what can I do with them in order to push forward my own research agenda? Hopefully not too far off, I can potentially become an independent investigator myself.